Hey guys, what up? It's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. Today I'm here with a video on ScentBox subscription, monthly subscription, whatever. Yeah, this was actually an accident. I was supposed to order ScentBox, but instead I ordered ScentBird, but instead I ordered ScentBox. I didn't even notice that it was different until I got the email like your order is on its way, and I'm like, oh shit, it's ScentBox and not ScentBird. But it's okay, I'm not sponsored anyway, so whatever. Okay, everything happens for a reason. Okay guys, so if you guys don't know what ScentBox is, it's basically a monthly subscription where you pay like $15 or $20 of a 30-day supply of a name brand perfume or cologne. They do have it for men as well. So yeah, I ordered ScentBox and it came in this envelope here. My address is on this thing, but I don't need y'all coming to see me. Okay, so it did come with this, which is cute because it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so this is very cute. Pay $15 a month, and I think that's a good deal breaker because I love perfume, and I'm like, I always wanted ScentBird, ScentBox, whatever. So let me just go ahead and order it. So that's what I did. It did come with cards, like 15% off, save on full-size bottles. They also offer full-size bottles. That's pretty cool. Another card, free exchanges. Also guys, if you don't like your shade, you can exchange it for free. You get one free exchange shipment per month. So if they send one, because usually I think you could choose your own, or you could just stick with the ones that they're gonna send you, like with their choice, whatever they choose, like the perfume of the month. And if you don't like it, then you can ship it back for free. It came with the receipt. This is the perfume of the day. It's called Ammo by Ferragamo. Okay, so yes, an Oriental floral fragrance launched in 2018. It has jasmine, blackcurrant, vanilla, and sandalwood, and it basically tells you all the ingredients, you know, the smells. Okay, and I'm really a big fan of Ferragamo. This is the box, ScentBox. This is the box here. Okay, this has a little stain, excuse me. I had some lotion on my hands. It's black. I love the packaging. Very sophisticated and classy. Okay, so it has a little snapback. The little, like, you know, you see that? Very easy to open. So you just, voila. And here it is, guys. I think that's so cute. Love that, love that, love that. You just take it out. This is it. You just take it out. And see, this is perfect for people who love to smell good and love to get different types of perfumes, because like this is a 30-day supply. But if you do spray more, then it may not last you 30 days. But a good way of trying new perfumes and colognes. Because if you guys are like me, we kind of go for the same perfumes and colognes because we're kind of scared to try new things. Not scared, but we like our certain scents. Like we'll have like 3 or 4 or 5 perfumes or colognes that we really like, and we don't really want to try new shit, you know. But I think this is a good idea for me to start trying new perfumes, and because I love perfume, guy. I love to smell good. So this is how it looks. It did come with the breast symbol, okay, and it does say ScentBox. So I don't know who copied who, but ScentBox, ScentBird is all the same thing. You just twist it up, okay, twist it up like this. It's easy to twist it up, okay, you twist it up, and this is where you spray right here. So this is a very, it smells really good. You know what it is? It smells exactly like what's in there. Like, it smells so womanly. Like, if I was on a date, I'll just go, doop. They'd be like, damn, you smell good, Mom. Like, I know, Zaddy. Gotta smell good for the ladies. And another thing about this, guys, it's kind of a strong perfume. So you do not need a lot. Like, you probably just need like 1, 2. And it smells like it would kind of, like, this smells like some good perfume where it's going to stay with you even when you leave. Because I sprayed this like 5 minutes ago, and it's still, I still smell it very strong. So it's not strong like I don't like the smell, but it's a pleasant, strong smell. So you do not need a lot. You know, you don't want to choke people, but yeah. And I'm happy with my purchase. So this thing really smells good, and my mom can't get none of this. Like, this is mine, and it's personal. It's for me. Like I said, perfume is important, especially in the wintertime. Perfume is important all year round, first of all. But I think this is dope. I don't know how to take it out to kind of see how much is in here. Let me see. Oh, here it is. Oh. So yeah, you just twist it and then take it out. So it does come in these things. I'm not sure. I believe every time they send one, you will get new ones of these. But I think this is so cute. Like, this is very, very cute. And this looks like 30-day supplies. This is the size. So you guys can determine if this is worth it. You know, name brand perfumes, $15 a month. Okay, this is it against my head. $15 a month for name brand perfumes. 30-day supplies. Okay, so we're gonna see if this lasts 30 days. I don't think it will, because I be spraying honey. Yes, this is worth it. If you was thinking about getting ScentBox or ScentBird, definitely try them, guys. I don't have no code for you, but definitely try it, because I think it's worth it. Like, especially if you are a perfume head or a cologne head like me, try it. Try it. Like, you can cancel at any time. You know, try it, see what it is, and you could go to your profile and basically choose what perfume you want. So the next one I'm gonna get is the YSL Black Opium. The next one, Tommy Hilfiger. You know, it's just a lot of name brands. They have like over 100 name brand perfumes and colognes that you could choose from, and I think that's dope. So it's my first unboxing. I would definitely do my unboxings every time I get them, so you guys can kind of see. But this is a perfect smell for winter, like right now, fall, winter. I love this smell, and I love it. And then even if you go by the bottle, like, this is how the bottle looks, like very classy, you know. It reminds me of like Elizabeth Taylor, not the smell, but the bottle. But you guys, totally worth it. Okay, if you guys have tried ScentBox or ScentBird, let me know. And if you guys knew that it was a difference, that it was two, I didn't even know it was two different types of businesses like that, like ScentBird, ScentBox. Like, hey, I thought it was the same shit. If you guys want to know about this here, stay tuned for the video in the description box. And yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Love yourself first. Keep it glamming. GlamNefercent signing out. Love you guys.